got a bit of a noise that it didn't have before.
It sounds to me like it might be lifters, but I'll have to take the engine apart and find out for sure.
Okay. First of all, that intake is damn heavy. Second lifter in on the passenger side. That's it. There's another part of it. First lifter, if you zoom in, you can see that's kind of twisted and damaged. So I definitely hit the nail on the head with my diagnostic on the lifter problems. Cam looks good, doesn't look worn, and the underside of the lifters don't look worn. They look actually pretty good. So I think a new set of lifters and I'll have fixed that problem.
It's all back together and running great now.